Okay, by today you should be on Unit 4 on Carnegie online, which is proofs. And so I want to show you how one of these proofs work if you haven't tried them out yet. They're tricky, so hang in there and try to just figure it out. Be persistent, I guess. I'll have Mrs. Vaga hand out this to you, which is a list of all the theorems for Chapter 1. And in this particular proof, some really important theorems are about linear pairs. So linear pairs are, for example, angle 1 and 2 in this drawing that share a line, and that's why we call them a linear pair. Also really important is this linear pair postulate. I don't know if you can see that. 1.5 in your packet. And the linear pair postulate says if two angles are a linear pair, then the angles are supplementary. So you can see from this example that supplementary means they add up to 180. So if I wanted to find the measure of this second angle, RQS, it would be 142. So this particular proof on Carnegie will use the linear pair postulate. And so if you read along, it says it's time to prepare for a proof. So we're just getting ready for a proof. Let's start at a very good place, the beginning. Determine two logical steps that follow from the given information. Create two nodes, each containing a statement and a reason. So what that means is I take my mouse and I go over here to this little arrow and I drag down a little box. And then I think to myself, okay, what are some things I could say about this drawing? And the bigger drawing's over here. Well, having looked on my theorem list, I know we're talking about supplementary angles. We could be talking about linear pairs. So I'm going to say that they're supplementary. I'm going to try that out. So I need to describe the two angles that are supplementary. So this top one here, WUH, is supplementary to HUJ. So I'm going to try that one. And so I need to use the angle symbol. Anytime I'm talking about angles, I need to use this symbol. So I'm going to say I have to type WUH in all caps, and then it pops up. It pops up an option for me. So are these complementary or supplementary? These are supplementary. So I'm going to choose the bottom one. And now I need to say the other angle. So WUH is the one I've described, so the other one is HUJ. So I need to type the angle symbol first and type HUJ. And then I hit this little checkbox. Yay, I was right. Okay, then the reason I know they're supplementary is because they're also linear pairs, meaning they also share the same line. So that is called the linear pair postulate. And when I started typing, it popped up for me. So, and that's one of the theorems in your packet. That's how you can sort of choose. Okay, great. And then it looks like I need to choose something else. So I pull down another little box here. And there are also other linear pairs here, these bottom ones, WUZ and ZUJ are also supplementary and linear pairs. So I'm going to write that. So I'm going to write the little angle symbol, WUZ, and it popped up for me. I'm going to choose supplementary, ZUJ. Whoa! Oh, thanks. Oops, and I forgot the angle symbol. We better put that in. ZUJ are supplementary. And check that. And then that's by the same reason, linear pair postulate. Okay, and then when they go all gray like that, you know you're done. So those are two conclusions I can draw from this diagram. So this unit is just getting you used to the beginnings of proof, like looking at a diagram, what information could you draw from that? So read through the lesson, read through this packet, and then as you look through the diagrams, say, oh yeah, that has a linear pair. Maybe that has to do with linear pair postulate, and try out those. Hope it goes well. Thanks. Bye.